Introduction. Hello everyone. Today we'll look at how you can get voice chat on Roblox. Let's dive in. First, head to the following website. You could click on the card right up above. I've also included a link in the description. Requirements to use voice chat. Simply go to the description or directly to this address that you see right here. Once you finish signing in, you'll land here in Settings. Over on the left-hand side, make sure that you're on the Account Info tab. To be able to use voice chat on Roblox, you have to be at least 13 years old. And you also have to either verify your phone number right here, or if you don't have a phone number, you can also verify your age with an ID. You could do one or the other. However, I recommend probably doing both. And the reason why is if you verify your age, that also unlocks additional experiences within the game. Option 1, verify phone number. Up on top, to verify your phone number, click on this text that says Add Phone. In this prompt, type in your phone number and then down at the bottom, click on Continue. Next, you'll need to provide a one-time code that's been emailed to the email address that you have associated with your Roblox account, and next click on Continue. Lastly, they'll also text you a code to your phone number. You'll need to enter that down below. Once you're done, click on Continue. Lastly, you can also decide whether friends can find you based on your phone number. Up above, you can either select yes or no. I'll leave it set to yes and then click on Done. And just like that, my phone number has now been verified. Now that you've verified your phone number, you can start using voice chat on Roblox. However, if you did not have a phone number to verify, you can also verify your age by clicking on this button. Let's go through that flow. Option